So we have a 2022 Ford Bronco. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna turn the dash on. Make sure your feet are not on the brake. You're not gonna start the car. Next, you got 3 buttons here for the home link. You're gonna hold the first and the third to reset the unit. All right, so we're gonna hold them down. You're gonna get a light right in there. Keep holding it down until that light starts strobing. Once it strobes, you can let go. There it is. So now we let go. Now the unit has been reset. So what our next step is gonna be for this Bronco to program to the garage motor, you're gonna sync the remote to the car. All right, you're not gonna do nothing on the motor right now. We need to sync this remote to the car. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna have to hold down the button for the remote and the button that you want to sync at the same time, about 1 to 3 inches apart, and do not let go of them until the light on here changes pattern. Okay, so at the same time, I'm gonna try to do this with one. I'm gonna press them down at the same time. You should see the light on here start flashing. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. All right, so I'm holding them both down. The light is strobing slow. There it is. Now it's fast. I can let go. Next step we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the garage. We're gonna press the learn button on the motor, and then we'll come straight back to the car. You can leave your remote here because we're not gonna press it. Let's go press the learn button on the motor. All right, here's the learn button. We're gonna press it, and as soon as you press it, you're gonna wanna get back to your car quickly. Now the button that you synced earlier, you're gonna hold it down. Let go. Hold it down again. There it is. I wanna open it, hold it down. Reverses. That's it. That is how you program a 2022 Ford Bronco to your garage door opener. If you have any questions, hit me up, garagementeddy@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.